welcome back to my channel. I'm Kenny for those of you who don't know me, and today I'll be bringing you another transitions tutorial. This tutorial is an add-on from the previous transitions tutorial of the heel glide. So I'm going to show you one way you can get into your heel glide. This transition is more intermediate and advanced. So once you feel more comfortable in your push-pull grip, then maybe you can try this transition as well. Before starting this transition into the heel glide, you should feel comfortable in an invert, going upside down, in your inside leg hang. What do we do? You start from your inside leg hang, invert, and hook. Breathe. Crunch up, so outside hand comes on top, inside hand comes low. You're gonna unhook your legs. Try to keep your legs nice and close. Slide it back and out, and then circle it behind you, and then bring it back. So one of the most important things for you to have in this transition is a strong push-pull grip. So notice as I'm coming off the pole, I'm still pulling with my top hand and pushing with my bottom hand to unhook, give me enough space to get away from the pole to enter the heel glide transition. So let's say I'm dancing, you know, you do a little spin, okay, hook, crunch up, bring it down, slide it out. We're gonna start with our invert, 2 inside leg hang, crunch up, knees to your face, maybe cradle to the side, and then push, and circle, 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 and then bring it up. Maybe you're beginner intermediate and you're interested in trying this transition as well. I suggest taking your time and trying things piece by piece until things start to feel more comfortable within your body. So let's say you do have your inside leg hang. I would just stay here. Maybe start with bringing the outside leg towards your face. Breathing, making sure you're pushing with the bottom arm, still pulling with the top. And then maybe if that feels more comfortable, trying to get it more into a hip hold. So using that inside leg to squeeze toward your face and breathing. And then re-hooking into your inside leg hang. So again, outside leg towards your face. Breathe. Breathe. If you need a little break, maybe turn towards the pole, slide it down. As you're sliding down, start pushing. See how I use my bottom arm to anchor. And then continue with your glide and bring it up. I know this transition tutorial was also super quick, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I just wanted to add this in because this is another transition that I also like to do, or, well, like to do when I remember. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
On a tout dépensé, on n'a plus d'argent.
Oh, yeah, yeah.